Alright y'all, I'm really hurt right now. I was trying to film this video and my tripod broke on me. Still gonna keep pushing, but today I'm gonna tell you guys why I decided to become a photographer, and plus I'm gonna give you guys some tips if you want to start your photography journey. Give your girl a thumbs up. My arm is burning right now, but give your girl a thumbs up if you like videos like this. Give me some good feedback. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get right into it. Y'all want to know what my tripod looks like right now? Desperate times call for desperate measures. We still getting it popping, you know. So why I decided to become a photographer, I started my journey back in January of this year. Some little background, I always had a camera. I did YouTube a long time ago. Like, I did it when I was younger, and I always like had a camera. I always had like some type of video camera. I just love having one. I love recording things. I love taking pictures of things, and that was when I was like really young. I also was a photographer for my aunt's wedding. She knew I had a camera, you know, I was decent with it, so she hired me. That was pretty cool. But yeah, to fast forward to this year, basically I've been planning to get a camera for the longest. I was just like, you know, I'm gonna work hard, get a good job, save up my money, and then I'm gonna get me a nice camera. But Christmas came along and my parents bought me a beautiful Canon. It's a Canon EOS T6. I was so grateful when I opened it and I seen what it was. They also gave me a tripod, and I'm so sad. I really love that tripod, and just like one of the pieces broke on me. Yeah, and they gave me this nice lens. I don't really use that lens to record, but I definitely always use it when I'm taking pictures. I'll insert some pictures here so you guys can see some of my work. But yeah, I have been truly loving this journey. I've gotten to meet so many people. I've gotten just, you know, it helps me like with photography to learn how to get my video quality on YouTube better too. So I've been really truly just loving the journey. This year I started asking people like if they want to model for me, you know, just to get some good portfolio shots and some stuff to build up my portfolio. I do have a photography page. I have a Facebook and I have Instagram. It's KeyFlix. So yeah, y'all follow me on there, show some love. I'll have them both in my description box. For some tips for people who want to start their photography journey, start off by getting a camera. It doesn't have to be an expensive camera. I know a lot of people think like photographers, you have to have like this really expensive camera to give you these amazing images. You don't. That's a myth. So like, you can create beautiful images with a really inexpensive camera. Photography is all about lighting and, you know, making sure you're in focus, making sure all your settings is right, and you can deliver a beautiful image. I just keep that in mind. What else? Oh, start out by, once you get a camera, start out by just shooting stuff, taking pictures of nature, taking pictures of your friends, asking people if they want to model for you. It's a lot of models out there, believe it or not. There's a lot of people that want to be models, so they're always going to want somebody to take the pictures. Especially if you're just starting out, you can do it for free, or you can charge a lower price for it, and people will love it. That's how I got a lot of my clients to understand your settings. You can read the manual book. I like a lot of ways that I learned like the settings and stuff was scrolling through YouTube, trying to understand stuff, how to get the best shot. I also asked local photographers. Since I do model, I knew a lot of photographers, so you know, I'll ask them how to adjust my settings, which setting to shoot in, all that. That's pretty much it for some beginner tips. If you are a photographer or you're starting out, definitely hit me up. I started in January, but I've been learning a lot more. If you're a photographer and you want to share some links or something, you can always put them in the comment section. I want this to be like a discussion. We're a family, so yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's thundering. Y'all probably can hear that. If you guys have any questions, or if you want to leave some tips for some beginner photographers, definitely do that in the comment section. Give your girl a thumbs up if you like videos like this. Like I said, I can start a photography series featuring other photographers, but I can't do that without you guys leaving me some feedback. But yeah, also subscribe if you like your girl. And yeah, I'm at the go before the rain gets really bad. Bye guys.